Hello everyone, it's Mercedes Guy here. I'm back at my local Curry's PC World. I'm going to go through all the washing machines, tumble dryers, dishwashers, integrated dishwashers and integrated washers. I've not done a video on washing machines for quite a long time. So yeah, I'm just going to get started off with the washing machines first, starting off with an LG 9kg. Samsung Smart Things. Another Samsung Smart Things. Another Samsung Smart Things. This one's an 11 kilogram one, it says on there. Another Samsung. Samsung Eco Bubble with the auto softener and detergent. There's the softener and detergent in there. The detergent one's missing though. Hisense Steam Pure Jet inverted 12 kilogram washer. Bosch Series 2 8kg. Bosch Series 4 8kg Eco Silence Drive. Another Bosch Series 4 9kg Eco Silence Drive. Bosch Series 6 Iron Assist 10 kilogram. This one's a similar version to my mum's and to my machine as well. As you can see, the different model number. So yeah, LG 9 kilogram. Another LG 10 kilogram. LG 13 kg. Hoover H-Wash 350 8 kilogram. Another Hoover H-Wash 350 9 kilogram washer. The blue thing for the Max line here is missing in that detergent drawer. Hoover H-Wash 600 12 kilogram washer. Hot Point inverter motor 7 kilogram washer. Another Hot Point inverter motor 8 kilogram washer. This one's in black, as you can see. Hot Point steam inverter motor 8 kilogram washer. This one's got the active care option there. Hot Point inverter motor 11 kilogram washer. This one's got the Ariston type drum, which says titanium inside of it. Another Hot Point inverter motor 9 kilogram washer, and the detergent drawers. Well, I don't know how to fix that now, but anyway, that's a Hot Point inverter motor 9 kilogram, that one is. Another Hot Point inverter motor 9 kilogram. Bosch Series 6 Iron Assist 9 kilogram. Another Hot Point inverter motor 8 kilogram. Beko Energy Spin 1 to 10 kilogram, 1400 RPM spin washer. Beko Recycle Tub Homewares Aquatech B Pro 500 washer 1 to 8 kilogram. Another Beko Energy Spin 1 to 9 kilogram, 1400 RPM spin washer. Another Beko 1 to 10 kilogram, 1400 RPM spin Aquatech Homewares B Pro 500 washer. Beko Iron Fast Aquatech 1 to 12 kilogram B Pro 500 washer. Hoover H-Wash 300 Light 9 kilogram washer. Hot Point Inverter Motor 7 kilogram washer. This one, as you can see, is for clearance. Bosch Series 4 wash and dry 8.5 kilogram washer dryer. Still got this one here, that one's been here for ages. LG 10.5 kilogram washer dryer. Samsung washer dryer. This very old one's still here. That's Samsung. Another Samsung. That one there is empty. Intercept My Time 8 kilogram inverter motor 1400 RPM spin washer. Intercept inverter motor 1400 RPM spin 9 kilogram washer. Another one. Candy Smart 10 kilogram Smart Touch washer. Beko 1 to 8 kilogram 1200 RPM spin washer. Beko Energy Spin 1 to 8 kilogram 1400 RPM spin washer. Another Beko Energy Spin 1 to 8 kilogram 1400 RPM spin washer. Intercept Push and Go 10.5 kilogram 1400 RPM spin inverter motor washer. This one's got the Allison type drum inside of it as well. Same with that hot point we saw earlier on. Candy Smart Pro inverter 8.5 kilogram washer. Washer dryer. That one's empty. Hisense Connect Life Auto Dosing 12.5 kilogram washer dryer. This one's got the auto softener and detergent, the same which we saw with the Samsungs as well. The Samsung that we saw at the beginning. That one's empty as well. Hoover H Wash and Dry 350 9.5 kilogram washer dryer. LG 9.5 kilogram washer dryer. Now we go on to the tumble dryers now. Hoover H Dry 600 10 kilogram heat pump dryer. Logic LCD HW23 dryer. And we got a new one here. This one is a Interset 8 kilogram dryer. That one looks completely replica to a Beko. Same with those hot points that I saw at a different Curry's PC World last time that I did a washing machine video at Curry's. I've never seen an Interset like this before. That's yeah, never seen one of those before. Beko 1 to 8 kilogram dryer. Candy Smart 9 kg Super Easy dryer. This one's wobbly as well. Hoover H Wash 350 9 kilogram condenser dryer. This one you can connect to free Wi-Fi as well, which is weird. Hot Point 9 kilogram condenser, condenser dry, Again, this one looks replica to a Becker as well. Same with this one. Another Hot Point 9 kilogram dryer. This is so weird, honestly. Two Hot Points that look replica to a Becker, as well as that Intercept one here. Never seen that before. I saw that last time when I went to a different Curry's PC World, like I said before, with two Hot Points. Anyway, Becker 1 to 10 kilogram dryer. Samsung washer. Samsung Smart Things dryer. Heat pump on that one is. Logic LHP8W25 dryer. This one's a new one. It's got the Beko and Blomberg type drum inside of it as well. So again, it looks a little bit like a Beko and Blomberg, a little bit, really. Candy Smart Easy Case 8 kg dryer. Heat pump one, that one is. That tub won't let the door shut. Beko Recycle Dry 1 to 8 kilogram B300 dryer. Beko Recycle Dry Rapid Dry Steam B Pro 500 dryer 1 to 8 kilogram, that one is. Samsung Smart Things heat pump dryer. Bosch Series 4 heat pump dryer. Hisense heat pump dryer 9 kilogram. That's a new one. I've never seen a drum like that before. That looks awesome. And it's got even that racking as well. That's one of the new dryers here as well. Beko Recycle Dry Iron Finish B Pro 500 dryer 1 to 9 kilogram. Another Samsung Smart Things heat pump dryer. Bosch Series 6 9 kilogram self-cleaning condenser dryer. That one's a really nice one. Just go for the dishwashers quickly now. Bosch Series 2 Silence dishwasher. Beko dishwasher. Another Beko dishwasher. Beko Hygiene Shield dishwasher B100. Beko Pro dishwasher. Another Beko Pro dishwasher. This one and this one look, as you can see, this one's got the blue things or spray things, and this one's got the standard grey, as you can see. Bosch Series 2 Silence dishwasher. Bosch Series 4 Silence Plus dishwasher. Bosch Series 2 Silence dishwasher. Bosch Series 6 Perfect Dry dishwasher. Hisense Hygiene dishwasher. hot point inverter 3D zone wash dishwasher. Another hot point inverter 3D zone wash dishwasher. Indeset fast and clean dishwasher. Kenwood KDW60X23 dishwasher. Logic LDW60W23 dishwasher. Samsung dishwasher. Sharp dishwasher. Beko Slimline dishwasher. Bosch Series 2 Silence Slimline dishwasher. Logic LDW45W23 Slimline dishwasher. Hisense dishwasher. Looks exactly a replica to the Samsung one there. Another Sharp dishwasher. Same one that is just right there as well. Another Hotpoint 3D zone wash inverted dishwasher. And Bosch integrated dishwasher silence. This one is for clearance, as you can see. Strange to see an integrated dishwasher in this section. Oh, there's no dishwashers over there. Okay, now to the integrated dishwashers. Beko dishwasher, integrated one. Kenwood integrated dishwasher. Another Beko integrated dishwasher. Another Bosch integrated dishwasher. And finally, the integrated washing machines. Still got this Bosch Eco Silence Drive one here. Hoover H-Wash 300 Pro 9kg washer. Beko 1 to 8kg 1400 RPM spin washer. Saw multiple of these in the different colours last time. And finally we have a Logic LIW814W22 washer with the sharp drum inside. And yeah, so that's basically it. Thank you for watching today's video. This is Joe Mercedes signing out, and peace out.